Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So finally Redmi K20 successor, actually K30 they launched it, but they launched today the K30 Pro with a Snapdragon 865 and K30 Pro Zoom edition as well. The Redmi K30 Pro and K30 Pro Zoom are here after weeks of teaser and speculation. They bring a ridiculous different design compared to the K30 and K30 5G with a pop-up selfie camera and quad rear shooter housed in a circular setup as expected. They also come with the flagship Snapdragon 865 chipset, complete the X55 modem for 5G connectivity and large 4700 mAh battery. In fact, the two K30 Pro version are identical save for one of the camera on the back. The 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED display come without any cutout as it bring back the motorized pop-up solution for the 20 megapixel selfie camera. The panel come with a built-in fingerprint scanner and 20:9 aspect ratio, but its refresh rate stuck at 60 Hz, no 90 Hz. Around the back, the Redmi K30 Pro features 64 megapixel Sony IMX 686 main camera with optical image stabilization, a 13 megapixel ultra-wide snapper, a 5 megapixel macro shooter, and the fourth one is the 2 megapixel depth helper. Those who want a telephoto module will have to set up the K30 Pro Zoom version, which swipe the 5 megapixel macro camera for an 8 megapixel telephoto shooter with OIS capable of 3x optical zoom and up to 30x hybrid zoom. Both K30 Pro variant are able to record 8K video. The Snapdragon 865 SoC can be paired with either 6 or 8 GB of RAM, while the speedy UFS 3.1 storage is either 128 or 256 GB of storage. Both Redmi K30 Pro version come with 4700 mAh battery and 33 watt super fast charging. Other notable additions include improved haptic vibration, motor Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, NFC and IR blaster port, and headphone jack. The Redmi K30 Pro will be available in grey, purple, white and blue colors. The base version start from Chinese yuan 2,999, equal $425 for the 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage configuration. There is also 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of model for Chinese yuan 3,399, which is equal $480, and 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage variant available in Chinese yuan 3,699, equal $520. The K30 Pro Zoom base model is around Chinese yuan 3,799, yuan equal $535, while the 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of model of the K30 Pro Zoom available in $565, which is the Chinese yuan 3,999. Both variants of the K30 Pro are up for pre-order in China, with official sales tripping off in April 4. There are no detail on international availability just yet. So guys, that's it for today's video. This is the full information about the latest K30 Pro and the K30 Pro Zoom edition. Let me know in the comment section which one is you like, the K30 Pro 5G or the K30 Pro Zoom edition. Let me know in the comment section, and also like this video for more tech videos. Subscribe my channel and enable that bell icon so you do not miss any of notification of my videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.